I'm going nuts, dude.
What's wrong with you, dude?
Can't take it anymore. I want to paste text on a VI text, for example, or with a VI editor on using PuTTY on a Windows box, for example, and I getting put in visual mode. I cannot paste.
That is all.
I'm going nuts, man. Paste doesn't work.
Alright, I have a solution for you. That's just because when you do the pasting, you do Ctrl+V and V puts VIM in visual mode. There's a way to fix that.
Really?
Come and join me on my workstation and I'll show you how. Okay, dude, pay attention there, stay there, lie down, just relax and watch me do it. Hello guys, so let me show you how can you paste text on a Windows box and other boxes. This usually applies to PuTTY, but anytime you paste text and this happens, let me show how can you fix it. So this is especially useful using PuTTY and Windows boxes, but this can apply to many other situations. So basically you have here this text you want to paste, so I'm going to copy it, okay? And I'm going to create a new file called amazing.txt. Okay, and you hit insert, and you, like you do in PuTTY and other pieces of software, you just right click, and as you can see here, you are getting put in visual mode. Okay, so that means that you are right now in visual mode. That's a consequence of the paste, because as everybody knows, it's Ctrl+V. So V will put you in visual mode. So in order to paste successfully, you hold down the Shift key. Okay, you hold down the Shift key and you right click as always. Okay, so by holding the Shift key and right clicking as always, you can paste all the text you want like you usually do. So again, if you paste using the right click like you usually do in PuTTY and other pieces of software with similar functionalities as PuTTY, you just right click and you get put again in visual mode. This means that you are getting put in visual mode and nothing gets pasted. Okay, so that means that Ctrl+V it's being applied as expected, but V puts PuTTY in visual mode. VIM in visual mode. So you just hit insert, hold the Shift key, right click, and then you can paste all the text purely as text, and you can put it in your VI situation. Okay, so you can. Another way to do this, if you want to be really geeky, okay, you just hit Shift Insert. Okay, Shift Insert will also paste and can also get yourself. You can paste anywhere else. Okay, you can hold Shift and right click, which works, or you can just hit Shift Insert. Okay, Shift Insert will paste all the text you want all the time you want. So Shift Insert will just paste. If you want to use the keyboard, Shift Insert will do this for you. Or Shift right click, which basically it's kind of a similar situation. You're doing basically the same thing, but in different methods. So if you want to be really pro and impress all the girls, you just type Shift Insert, and you are pasting purely pasting, because right click will just put yourself in visual mode. And if you right click on the terminal, it should be fine, because right click in the terminal, the V doesn't do much, so it will not alter the behavior. But if you want to be really pro, Shift Insert will do the pasting for you. So there I have it. There is no excuses now to not being able to paste. I hope you learned something today.
You're a peach.
Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers. I'm enjoying my workstation and I'll show you how.